okay?
Yeah.
Feel good?
Yeah.
You had opened your calendar yet? Mika's opened hers.
I opened mine.
After your breakfast.
Yeah.
That's okay. Mika, how much Lego did Daddy get out of the loft for you yesterday?
That much. That much.
All of that.
Not that.
All that. And then she's got all of her own Lego. Who loves Lego the most?
Me.
Lego calendar.
What's
Daddy's
this?
big truck.
What's its name, Daddy?
This is the name.
Oh, they want to know what the names of the
It's Optimus Prime.
I said that was Optimus Prime.
I don't know who this one is. There's some bits of this. This is a robot as well. I don't know where the rest of him's gone.
Pussy.
Bye-bye, robot.
Bye-bye, robot. Should we go downstairs and see what the elves have done?
That is a pretty
Gonna come
good
see what the
car.
elves have done?
Yeah. Yeah.
No running.
Oh, my God.
You need your Santa hat on, do you? Big charity shop box there. You can hear the cats. You just knocked something over, idiots. Oh, here's Binksy. Oh, it's coming to have a pluck of the rug, have you? Lovely. Hi, Gary. Hey, Bandit. Oi! Binksy cat! Help Ari so she can get in, Mika, because... Oh, there's a note in your elf box.
No, I don't need it.
There's a note.
Teachers, but elves.
We want to meet your teachers. Where are they then?
At school? In our book bags.
No way.
Yes,
Turn the light on out there first.
the bags.
Who's Harry found?
I found two. Who's in mine? Who's in mine? Oh,
Baby's in yours.
I got another one in mine.
Oh, you've got Arnie and
I got three.
Elsie. Wow. They want to go and meet your teachers. Oh, Binksy's trying to escape. Mika, come on.
Why?
Put them back in their box. They can't go to school, can they? Imagine if all your friends took all the elves into school. The elves would take over your whole school. Hi, Gary. You want the booby pants? Oh, I've got hiccups. Right, let's make coffee. Mika, whose shoes have you got on? Daddy's. They have to let the chickens out every day because it's their responsibility. But it's also her choice as to whether or not she puts a coat on. And she has chosen not to today. And she's chosen to wear Daddy's shoes. Gary, why are you sat on the worktop? Why are you on the worktop, my man? You're not allowed up there. Come on. Sit on the chair. Good boy. There's so much washing to do. Everything's drying on the back of chairs. Oh God. You're in the wonk. Sort yourself out. Box of goth. Day 6. Let's have a look. I think it's some earrings. I think it's some earrings. It is earrings. What are you? Oh my God, I love them. Wow, those are incredible. Oh my goodness. So they're moons and then they've got little daggers off the end as well. They are absolutely gorgeous. I've got 2 in this ear and then 1 in this ear. This bottom one just keeps closing, so I'm gonna go and get it pierced again, hopefully at the weekend. And I'm just gonna get another one of these in it because then I like to literally just like hook it through there and then just hang them off because then I don't have to take out the other ones. Oh my goodness, look at these earrings, Mika.
Wow.
How beautiful are they?
Yeah.
So beautiful. We've got a skip coming today, which is super exciting. That should be coming between now and 12. You ready for school, Mika?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You've not been to school since last week, since Tuesday, have you? Because everyone was poorly. Got your school council badge on?
Yeah.
Think you're going to have a school council meeting today?
Yeah. We didn't have it last time, so it's today.
Yeah. Here comes a creepy fish with her new mittens that I got her. So cute. You like them?
Look, it's like that.
No, they're little gloves right now, and then they've got this bit that goes boop over the top to turn them into mittens, because Ari likes mittens rather than gloves, don't you? So I got these from Sainsbury's the other day. So cute. They've all both got, because they have to have all the windows open at school, which is just, I know it's for COVID and stuff, but fucking hell, it's -1 today. So they've got vests on and then leggings instead of tights and socks, and just trying to stay warm, aren't you? You can take your scarves today around your neck. Take your little scarfy scarves. I've got.
Want my scarf.
I know you don't want a scarf, but you're wearing one because you have asthma. I've got some orders going out today. I've got a huge. My boot is just full of stuff to take to the charity shop, and yeah, I need to sort out the washing. It's literally, there's washing everywhere. There's literally on all the back of all the chairs, the radiator. I've got 2 octopuses hanging in there, more on the radiator, and then more in here. It's just ridiculous. So I need to try and get that done. And then there's more in the tumble dryer.
Dr. Fleefington.
Dr. Fleefington to the rescue. How much do you love Gary, Ari?
So much.
Is he your baby boo-boo pants? Yeah. Who's your favourite Kit Kat?
I don't know.
You just like them all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're not making me sit on the bin.
You guys are crazy.
Okay.
Oh, where's Gary going?
Me.
Hey, I just realised I think this is the first day since Vlogmas started where I haven't had the girls at home. It's just me and Foxy Man and 3 insane kittens. And we just got back from the school run. It is, well, not just got back. I've made some breakfast and we went to the charity shop and we went to the post office. It is 20 to 10. I've got my second coffee and a bagel thin with banana and maple syrup on it. And I've got Foxy a piece of toast because he will always try and steal my breakfast. Even though he's already had 2 breakfasts, I like to preempt his attack on mine. So I make him that. So we'll take this in for him. You need to put your crazy eyes off. Thank you. Mr. Bandit. Don't you fight my camera. Don't you fight my camera, Binky. You're being a good boy. It's very unlike you. Foxy Man, did you make that train track? Clever boy, look what Mummy got you. What do you say?
Pizza.
It's not pizza, what do you say? Good boy. Some yummy toast. Was that butter?
Wipe it there.
Who loves butter?
Wipe it there.
Wipe it there. Who loves butter?
Me.
Malicious?
Not that.
What are you watching? Is it the Twirly Woos? Yeah. Bandit. Hey, you baby. Here he comes. You were a menace. You were a menace. Right, I'm going to sit and eat my breakfast. Someone's just woke up from his nap. Was it a good nap? Yeah? What are you eating? What else you got? What's this?
Okay.
What are we making for lunch?
Omelette.
Omelette. Who loves omelettes?
Me.
Yeah, you do. That's what me and Foxy are doing now. What is it? What's that? Is it a skip? What is it? Van. Big skip. Look at that. Say wow. Hello. Look at that. Did the man wave at you? Very nice.
Heavy.
Heavy, yeah. Very heavy. I'm not showing you because the man's there and I don't want to film him. Look, what is it? Skip. Yeah.
Heavy.
Heavy. Lifting it down. Very cool. Very cool. All done. Is that cool? What happened? What did you drop?
Egg.
Egg. What are we making?
Egg.
Omelettes.
Omelette.
Oops. Mummy clean it? Okay.
Making it.
Mummy clean it up, don't worry.
Making it.
No, Mummy clean it.
No, Mummy clean it. Fork. A knife.
Fork and a spoon.
Fork. Spoon. Knife.
No knife.
Gum.
Gum. Don't need a knife.
Gum in my pocket.
Mummy's pocket, is it? Eat your potatoes. Not hot.
Egg.
You want your peas? Go on then, have a pea. See if it's hot.
No.
Mummy, see if it's hot. Not hot.
Good.
Good. It's okay.
Whee!
Whee! Good boy.
Pick it back. Pick it back.
Put it back. Well done.
Peas. Let's go peas. Oh. Hot.
Yeah, your eggie is hot.
Mommy, brought it out. I am sorry.
Hey, so I've got the same as Fox, but mine is just mixed together into like a breakfast hash, although it is lunchtime. So it's just scrambled egg, little potatoes, peas and some cheese. And he has got scrambled egg and cheese, peas in his mouth and some little potatoes. Did you just drop all those peas out your mouth?
Uh-huh.
What do you do that for?
Me.
Ah. Oh no.
Fork.
Fork. Who's got to pick them up?
Mama.
Okay.
Fork.
Bonjour. We've just come back from the school run and we're all soggy. I parked my car and when I came back, there was like this much water at the bottom of the car, so my feet are just absolutely drenched. The kids are all in their, the girls are all in their jammies because they've been at school in their soggy clothes. Foxy's now throwing raisins everywhere. He's trashed the living room. You alright there, Missy? You gonna have curry for dinner or are you gonna have fish fingers?
Curry.
Curry. Oh. So yeah. Oh, it's been one of them days. It's just so rainy and cold. I filmed my first cooking video today, making a curry. Gary, this is an oven. This is an oven. It's an oven. It's not for Gary's. I had my first therapy session this morning. I started CBT therapy through the Norfolk Wellbeing Service and I had my first session this morning. So that was fun, loads of crying, but my therapist seemed really, really nice. So I'm hopeful that it helps. But yeah, I don't think there's much else going to happen tonight, to be honest. It is just rainy and cold and we all just want to snuggle on the sofa. So I'm going to make us a really nice warming, yummy dinner. And I think it's going to be early to bed for everybody because we're all still off the back of this horrible feeling crap. So nice early night. I feel like it's needed all round. Oh, I don't think he's eaten one of those raisins. The girls loved them. The girls still eating that. They're eating them now. He just throws them everywhere. Little shit. You got our dinner? What you got?
Flatbread and curry.
Flatbread and curry and one giant rice cracker. What have you got?
Fish fingers.
And waffles. Foxy's got fish fingers and waffles and some flatbread, and he's going to try a bit of curry. I've got curry and flatbread, and I'm cooking Ben's flatbread over here. He's going to be home in like 2 minutes.
My flatbread.
And there it is. So we're going to have our dinner. What are we watching?
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park. What do you think so far?
Kids and Binksy's biting my feet.
Binksy's biting your finger. You like it? Not scary?
No.
Hi, it's bedtime. 7:58. I've come to bed with my snacks. Got a little moon, some frozen grapes, and some nuts. I can't find my battery charger for my camera. And all my batteries are dead. So that's annoying. Yeah, we had Safe Style Man come around today to give us a quote for our front door. And he was like, oh yeah, blah 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 blah, 2,700, and we were just like, no thank you. And we said, well, we pay 1.5. He was like, oh, I can't do that, and then he made the phone call and got it down to 1,700. So that's nice. Yeah, not sure if that's going to happen or not, but we shall see. How's your day been? Let me know. I'd be very interested to hear what you've been doing so far in December. I shall bid you adieu and good night, and I shall see you in the morrow. Bye bye.